Hey y'all, so it is definitely another day. What happened last night was I was playing around with those the Beats Studio Pro headphones that my husband got me last night, and y'all, I played around with those. I ended up finally figuring them halfway out. Y'all, I don't know why. I don't know if because it was late and I had been at work all day and my brain just was not functioning, but I was struggling. It should not have been that difficult, but I did get them set up. I used them last night to edit last night. Yeah, of course last night, but I used them last night to edit last night, and y'all, sound quality perfect. I was running my heater in the room because I was in my office, and baby, I barely could hear it. So I won't say they were like, they are saying noise canceling. I do get that. So in my mind, when I was thinking like noise canceling, it was just going to cancel out all the noise. I don't know what I was thinking, but it does cancel out a lot of the surrounding sound. Even when I wasn't even playing like any type of, like wasn't playing the video when I was editing or music, it still cancels out the sound. Some of the majority of the sound, not all of it, but like majority of it. So I'm really liking them so far. But I'm sitting at a bed, it's almost 12 o'clock, y'all. Almost 12 o'clock editing the video because I was just up, and I don't know why I was up, because when I was at work I was like sleepy. Usually on those days where I have to drive to work, because I have an hour commute there and an hour back, that I'm exhausted after doing work because I have to leave like an hour and a half to make sure I'm there and, you know, clocked in on time. So that means by the time I get up in the morning, it's time for me to start getting dressed. So I'm usually just tapped out, but when I got home I was still tired of my headphones, and I was just sat down editing. I don't know if I was just because I was in my office, my brain tricked and was like, oh, it's time to do work. We work in this room. And you know, I read that about like in a habits book that your body, we are a creature of habit. So that's why I say you shouldn't read in the bed, because when you read, your body just naturally thinks it's time to go to sleep. So you go into the room where you're not trying to read a sign, but you go into a room that you always do something. So like for me in my office, I always work. So when I went in there, my brain naturally was like, okay, it's time to work. And I literally just stopped editing. They were like, it was like 12 o'clock. I'm like, girl, it's 12 o'clock. You just go to bed. What are you doing with your life right now? So I just went to bed, and I finally just kind of just fell asleep. So yeah, that's what happened. But anywho, long story short, I'm really liking those headphones so far. I had them on too as well, and I was like, man, these things kind of hurt my ears. Like, what is going on? And then I actually looked at the headphones. One of them says left ear. I'm like, bruh, these things need to come with instructions, okay? Because some of us apparently is not tech savvy. I thought I was. So I looked at it, and only the left ear has left ear on there. I'm like, bruh. Somebody could have told me. Somebody could have told me. So after I switched it to the left ear, they're way more comfortable. They're a little heavy though. I can't say that. It's maybe because I haven't worn like actual headphones in a long time, but I'm liking them so far. I'm really excited that he got them for me because I couldn't decide between the pink and the rose color. But anywho, we're headed to Academy. I ordered some shoes on Black Friday from Academy, y'all, and in my mind, y'all, I don't know what I was doing. I don't know. In my mind, I was thinking that I was doing pickup because they were going to be ordered the same day, but no, that's not how it works at all. I was ordering pickup because they didn't have any more in store, so I could have got them shipped to the house and they would have been delivered excuse me, yesterday. Do I want to go in, or do I just want to pick up? Y'all don't want to go in? I don't want to pick up. Oh, I'll go in. And no, I was ordering them. I didn't realize that, excuse me, I just lost my whole train of thought. Anyway, I ordered them online, right? I ordered them from the website thinking I was just gonna curbside pick them up that same day. And I just kept looking at it, and I'm like, why they haven't sent me like a confirmation saying to come and pick up my stuff? Girl, it's because they had to ship them. So they had to ship them to the store. How inconvenient. So here I am at Academy. Ugh, picking them up, y'all. The crazies. You know what I mean? The crazies. Because honestly, I don't know what I was thinking. I hope that made sense, because I somehow reason got straight. I know you can't do curbside pickup I'm trying to decide, do I want to do curbside pickup? I'm hoping this is the Red Academy. Y'all, I've been drinking this in the morning. It is 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a whole, like, this is probably like a 10 ounce glass, if not more, 10 ounce glass of water mix. I don't know. It says it's supposed to help with people who have like like pre-diabetes or anything, trying to control like your sugar or whatever, but also I heard it's fat burning. So I've been trying to drink it in the morning. They say to drink it in the morning and at night. I have not been consistent with it at night. Yo, I'm trying to figure out if I'm even at the right academy. When I tell you, my brain is just, okay, this is it, on pilot mode, I guess, because baby, I don't know. Well, let's go into academy and pick up our order. Secured. So let's go ahead and open up. I didn't want to open it up at the table because this bag is dirty. So let me just move y'all real quick. All right, I'll just sit on the floor. Anyway, let me show you the shoes I got. I've been looking at these shoes for a while now, and you know how you look at something one time and then the algorithm will be algorithming. Did that make sense? I don't know who I thought these were made by, but anyway, these are the women's Nike Court Legacies. I ended up getting them in a 8.5 and a 9. Here. I thought these were so cute. Hold on, it's really bright. Let me turn y'all down. It's better. Oh, now how they already got a marker on them, bruh. I ain't even warm yet. But yeah, these are those. Here, I just think they're so cute. And they look, bruh, how they look dirty? Is that how they supposed to look? Hold on. Oh, that's how they're supposed to look. They're not like true white at the top. They have like specks on there. But anyway, these are those. I thought these were so freaking cute. So cute. And I just felt like they would go with everything. So I did get them in an 8.5 and I did get them in a 9 just in case. Because like I told you guys, my husband, he ordered the shoes the other day. I'm a person who orders 2 different sizes because when I want them when they arrive. I don't want to have to buy them and then return them and then have to wait to get the shoes in again, especially when they didn't even have them in store. I didn't even know they didn't have them in store. But Nike can be a little tricky. So sometimes in Nike I wear like an 8.5 and sometimes I wear a 9. So let's see. I don't know, these 8.5 kind of hurting the top of my soul, y'all. Let me show you. I just don't have to take you off the tripod. So this is what they're looking like. Of course, I wouldn't wear them with these socks, but I feel like they're really cute. You can wear them. I feel like they'll be cute with like some ankle pants. Even though in the summertime with like a little skirt, I can wear with my denim jeans and like my blazer to work. Kind of dress casual, but definitely not with these socks though. But I think they're really cute though. The little Nike symbol. But yeah, I really like these. And then that little tan around the top. And then they're kind of like a little platform. So yeah, that's what they look like. Hey y'all, so it's later on in the day. We're getting ready to put the lights up. I actually need to test these out to see if anything's blown. Oh, that's wrong light switch. See if any one of these are actually blown. So let me do that. I need to find a better way of wrapping my lights up than this, because baby, why? Why did I do this? They all work, yay! I think I have these on the extension cord and a timer. So let's do it. So far, so good. If you guys, tell me how you guys separate your lights, because this trifling. This looks like I was ready for Christmas to be over. That's what this looks like. Instead, pack this up. That's what this looks like. Okay. But the good thing about it is they are all working.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.